Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need physical or administrative access to the router or a device already on the network. Connect a laptop by Ethernet if possible. This avoids wireless lockouts and speeds configuration. Once wired, log into the router using its admin IP or app. Make sure you have the default login handy if never changed. If you only have a connected phone, open Wi-Fi settings to view saved networks. These options determine your next recovery path. You now execute the main recovery steps. For devices already connected, view saved Wi-Fi credentials in System Settings or Keychain. Export or note the network key. If accessing the router GUI, navigate to Wireless Settings and reveal or change the WPA key. Once changed, all devices must reconnect. If you cannot access the admin account, perform a factory reset on the router using the pinhole. This wipes custom settings, so be prepared to reconfigure SSID, encryption, and ISP details. Finish by reconnecting every device using the recovered or newly set password. You should update both main and guest networks if changed. Make sure encryption is set to WPA2 or WPA3 for security, and rename the SSID only if needed. Once done, verify internet access and run a speed test. If devices fail to connect, power cycle router and clients, confirm firmware is current, and double-check spelling and case of the password. These simple checks resolve most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.